Do you find yourself hitting the snooze button repeatedly, starting your mornings feeling rushed and already behind? Is your first instinct to grab your phone before your feet even hit the floor, only to be sucked into a vortex of notifications and mindless scrolling? Do you experience mornings where, regardless of how much sleep you got, you still feel groggy and sluggish? If any of this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Many of us navigate our mornings on autopilot, lacking intention. However, those precious moments at the start of your day can set the tone for what follows. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets to transforming your mornings and, consequently, your entire day. Good morning, warriors of the dawn. Welcome back to our channel, the space where we explore strategies to optimize your life and unlock your full potential. Today we're diving into a topic that's near and dear to all of us: morning routines. It's easy to believe that success stems from a monumental action or a sweeping overhaul where everything changes at once. However, the reality is that sustainable change occurs gradually through microscopic corrections. Picture it like compound interest. A single dollar saved may not seem impactful on its own, but when added daily, the compound effect is staggering. Our health and well-being follow a similar principle. One salad won't lead to weight loss, and one early night won't cure exhaustion. But day after day, these tiny changes stack up, building unstoppable momentum. Today, we're going to walk through 5 mini habits that may seem insignificant at first, but when practiced consistently, can compound into significant changes in your energy, productivity, and overall joy. These habits can be the game changer you need to set a positive tone for your day and propel you towards success. So let's embark on this journey together and explore how optimizing your morning routine can be the key to unlocking your full potential. Picture this. The first thing you do upon waking is reaching for your phone, diving into a world of notifications and mindless scrolling. It's time to break that habit and start your day with a simple yet powerful ritual: hydrating your body. When you wake up, your body is already dehydrated from hours of sleep. But fear not, a tall glass of water is like a refreshing elixir for your entire system. The benefits of proper hydration extend far beyond quenching your thirst. It's a game changer for your body and mind. Hydration boosts circulation, sending a surge of oxygenated blood to all your vital organs. This increased blood flow enhances brain function and energy levels, setting the stage for a focused and productive day. It aids digestion, flushing out toxins from your kidneys, and activates and lubricates your GI tract, promoting overall gut health. But here's a unique twist. Have you ever heard of the water manifestation method? It's not just about drinking water. It's about infusing your hydration ritual with intention. Set your desires, write them down, place them under a glass, and drink while vividly visualizing your goals. This method serves as a bridge between your conscious and subconscious minds, aiding in finding solutions or manifesting your desires. Now that you've ignited your engine with hydration, it's time to get your body moving. Imagine spending just 10 minutes engaging in gentle activities like yoga, light calisthenics, or stretching. This isn't about intense, heart-pounding exercise. It's about greasing the wheels of your musculoskeletal system. This morning movement ritual has a multitude of benefits. It boosts circulation, ensuring that nutrient-rich, oxygenated blood flows to all your organs after a night of stillness. This increased blood flow enhances cognitive function and energy levels. Gentle movement lubricates your joints and connective tissues, reducing any morning stiffness or achiness. It aids lymphatic drainage, crucial for flushing toxins and waste from your system, promoting overall detoxification. And here's the magic. This movement primes your body for increased productivity throughout the day. You'll not only feel looser and more energized, but you'll set the stage for a day filled with focus and vitality. As your body gets into motion, let's turn our attention to your breath. Take a few minutes to focus solely on your breathing. Deep breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, signaling your body to relax after a night in fight or flight mode. This, in turn, lowers cortisol, blood pressure, and stress hormones, bringing a sense of inner peace. Consistency is the key here, turning breathwork into a transformative morning ritual. Spend 3 to 5 minutes taking slow, full belly breaths. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your stomach to expand, and exhale completely out through your mouth. Alternatively, experiment with techniques like the 4 to 7-8 breathing method. Inhale for 4, hold for 7, exhale for 8. This practice clears away distracting thoughts and emotions, allowing you to cultivate present moment awareness, setting a positive tone for your day. With your body hydrated, in motion, and your mind at ease, it's time to set the stage for an intentional, productive day. Visualization and the law of attraction come into play. Take 2 to 3 minutes to close your eyes and visualize your ideal day. Express gratitude for the blessings in your life and affirm positive outcomes. This primes your subconscious mind for success, boosting confidence and motivating action. Use empowering mantras like, "I am capable," or "anything is possible." This intentional harnessing of your thoughts can profoundly shape your day. Consider incorporating techniques like the Napoleon Hill Original Prayer, turning your morning moments into a powerful manifestation ritual. Your clear intentions and positive energy will pave the way for success. Now that you've prepared your body and mind, it's time to nourish yourself with a balanced breakfast. Don't skip this crucial step. A meal consisting of protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs provides the energy and focus you need to conquer the day. A balanced breakfast replenishes your glucose levels, stabilizing your blood sugar and preventing crashes and fatigue later on. It jumpstarts your metabolism and fat burning, revving up your calorie burn for the day. Protein and complex carbs aid muscle growth and recovery, ensuring you're ready for whatever challenges lie ahead. Additionally, a nutritious breakfast bolsters your immune system, flooding your body with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Steer clear of processed breakfast choices. They won't provide the sustained energy you need. Smoothies, omelets, yogurt with granola, or oatmeal are excellent options for a wholesome start. Remember, if you have any health concerns or conditions, it's always wise to consult with your doctor for personalized guidance on your morning routine. Now that you have the keys to transforming your mornings, it's time to take action. Choose one of these morning rituals to implement tomorrow and experience the positive impact it can have on your day. Share your progress and insights in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more empowering content, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Remember, your morning routine sets the tone for your entire day, so make it count. Thank you for joining us on this journey to optimize your mornings and unlock your full potential. Remember, small changes compounded over time lead to significant results. As you embark on your morning transformation, may each day be filled with intention, productivity, and joy. Until next time, take care and make every morning count.